Good morning, this is Paul, and look at the monstrous growth on my string of dolphins. Now, you can see I bought this plant 6 months ago, and it was small and delicate. I've kept it in this part sun environment, and I water it once a week. So you can see how large it is now. Beautiful blooms in just 6 months. Look at how much it's grown this season, between spring and summer. Now you can also see here that I repotted it back in May, 3 months ago. And I can't believe how quick it's grown. I think a lot of it has to do with the growing media, because I used my dragon fruit growing media with Fox Farms ocean forest soil, pumice, perlite, vermiculite, and some coconut coir with the pith, the chips, and the husk. So lots of great aeration and lots of great nutrients. And you can see that this plant is extremely happy. It's just amazing. All the little dolphins. I was a little worried they wouldn't form the dolphin shape, because if they don't get enough sunlight, they'll be kind of flat. But even in this spot with part sun, they get plenty of sunlight, and they're just really, really happy. You can see it's been blooming all summer long. And the blooms smell like cloves. They're wonderful. So I'm probably gonna prune this back and give some cuttings to friends. Again, you can see why they call it the string of dolphins. They look like little dolphins. And I just love this hanging succulent. It's one of my favorites. I have lots of the strings of succulents, but this one is the most aggressive grower in my experience, easiest to grow, and it doesn't rot at all. It's pretty forgiving, as you can see. I mean, look at it. It's really healthy. So there you go, the string of dolphins. Give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for your time. Have yourself a wonderful day. Take care. Hopefully you can get yourself one of these beautiful plants in the future. I'm seeing them everywhere, Home Depot, Lowe's. They're a lot more common these days, which is a great thing, because there's nothing as beautiful as this succulent. Look at that. All right, thanks so much for your time. Have a wonderful day. Take care.